Hola clase, we've been talking about cognates. So now what you're going to do is you're going to make your very own Spanish cognate alphabet. And remember, a cognate is a word that's spelled similarly or the same, and it sounds similar probably, and it does mean the same thing. If it does not mean the same thing, that means it's not a cognate. So what we're going to do is we are going to go to your Google Tools, and you're going to open a new slideshow. We just want a blank presentation, and we're going to move the boxes all the way to the bottom just so we can have space to put in a graphic. We're going to call this for the title El Alfabeto de Cognados, which is the cognate alphabet. And we're going to have this por, which is by in Spanish, and then your Spanish name and your last name. And then we're going to add a graphic here. So we're going to go to Google, and we're going to add Spanish alphabet. And we're going to look for an image that's colorful and it is a good representation of the Spanish alphabet. And so we'll copy it, and then we'll go back to the slideshow and Control V, paste it in. We'll make it bigger and center it a little, and we've got our title slide. So now we want to add a new slide. We're going to click up here. We're going to click the top left-hand slide, and again we'll move the boxes down so that we can have room for graphics. We're going to call this slide A, the letter A. And then we're going to go to SpanishCognates.org. It's got a list of several cognates for each letter of the alphabet. Now don't just click the first one you come to. Don't just choose it. What we're going to do is we're going to look for something that has it's interesting, and it would be easy to find a cognate or a picture for it. It'd be easy to find a picture to represent the cognate. And so I have a specific one in mind here. I am looking for the word alérgico or allergic. It gives you both the English and the Spanish name meaning right here. So we're going to go back to the slideshow, and I'm going to type in alérgico, which means allergic. And then we're going to go back to Google, and we're going to get a graphic to represent it. So we will type in allergic. You want to find something that's not too gross, that's not going to offend anyone, and that's appropriate. So let's use this one right here. And we'll right-click it, copy it, and then we go back to our slideshow and paste it in. We'll make it bigger, center it, and we have our slide for the letter A. So we want to repeat this with each letter of the alphabet, except you do not have to do A, the double L, N, the N with the tilde, or R, the double R. So repeat this for each of the other letters of the alphabet, and then you will present it to the class. Make sure you share it with me. Buena suerte todos. Good luck, everybody.